Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This is video number 761, I believe, and it's on pretty much the same unit as I demonstrated in the previous video, except this one's for a 72 Mustang Mach 1. It's a customer says it's actually a 73 model. I'm no expert on which models fit which cars, so I'm just going to take the customer's word for it. Customers requested the modern internal FM conversion with my cool master input-output box. If you want to use an external amplifier, then this has all your left, right, front, and rear, and subwoofer outputs at the preamp level, and it also has your aux input in the form of 2 RCA jacks. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Let's run it through all the tests, make sure everything works.
You want to know more? More.
Okay, that's the one strong AM station I get.
Stunning, but not concerning yet.
Now we have a virtual front-rear fader. Let's make sure that's working.
Flu-like symptoms, but not COVID-related.
We're going to activate the virtual front-rear fader.
Supreme Court Justice now was admitted to the Sibley Memorial Hospital.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're going from front to rear on our speaker balance.
Is okay.
Okay, I'm gonna
Maury, the show that I did not know was still on
center
the air,
him.
will end after 3.
Fader
Let the function time out.
Nothing to society.
Okay, let's switch over to
2 years
FM,
ago,
and I have all 5 station presets set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly. So we go off on to get to FM.
Oh, if you're trying.
Kids advance.
I mean, some serious.
Okay, let's try the 8-track function. I'm gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, pull the tape, and the radio comes back. Alright, last thing I test is the dial amp, and you may not see it, but I will. Yep, the dial light is turning on and off in response to my command. So that's it. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video, or actually make a trip to the post office. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this was a fairly simple conversion because there's no Bluetooth or USB or HD radio. It's just a simple FM conversion with the addition of my cool master input-output box. So my website and phone number are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you for your business, Nick, for your business all the way from Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we'll see you guys next time.